Well, I just got to start off by saying, look at this pretty little champadek. Look at this thing. The champadek where this came from are very short and bushy and bore fruit very close to the ground. So, you know, the chocolates might get out of the way, give it space, but I wanted to come up and, well, first I should show you this. Look at the variegated. Isn't that pretty? A variegated mayoli. I had it kind of, maybe not in the best spot for a bit. It wasn't liking it and doing too much. And moved it over here. This was kind of a compost pot. Look at that pink. Isn't that unreal? Anyway, I was going to come up and pop off a couple of the ripe chocolate first ones off of this tree. Oh yeah, look at those beautiful things. God, they're like orange red. I'm very curious as to what these are going to taste like. I didn't bring my clippers up, so I do it the old-fashioned way. Twist them off. Look at that. First cacao from this tree. Second set of pods I've taken on the property. And then we got the 10 pod tree over here where one just started to turn. And I think I'm gonna let it sit a little longer. Look at these guys, they're huge too. These are such big ones. But that one's definitely ripe and it's got flowers. That's chocolate for you. A lot of the other girls started to flower too. Most of them have flowers on them right now, so we'll see. Anyway, I wanted to just show you the chocolates. Yeah, alright, so let's see. Oh, there we are. Whoa! Look at how fresh, fruity, dense, packed, lush. Now that's a chocolate with fruit. See, sometimes chocolates can be a little dry. Sometimes they can even be sprouted in the pod, usually just before they blacken. But like, oh, look at all that. There's fruit on them there seeds. That thing's just dripping now. Oh, that's gonna be so good. That's so good. It's the best ever. Are you kidding? Homegrown cacao. Woohoo! Cool. Yeah, and then a few minutes later, it rained. Oh, and then it started to rain a little harder even. Yeah, and sometimes it can rain even harder. Look, I got my river running through it. Can't see the trees off in the distance so much anymore. Huh. Yeah, tropical rain.